Hey friends, in the next 48 hours, I'm taking a brand new dropshipping store from zero to over $11,000 in profit using just one product to kick things off. No hacks, no cheats, no fake screenshots, just a simple proven strategy and a whole lot of Sellvia power. So let's dive in and make it happen. Okay, full transparency. Step 1 is already done. Sellvia clients already have a store that's set up and ready to roll. No extra work needed. No hosting stress, no coding needed, no product pages to design. Everything's already done for you. And guess what? I'm using this same exact status store for this challenge, just like you would. Now, let's head over to the Sellvia catalog and grab something perfect. So what product did I pick to carry this challenge? Let me introduce you to the cat tree tower house for large cats. And yes, I already know what you are thinking. Wait, cats? Well, do you remember my lovely dog, Chica? Of course you do. But hey, just because I am a dog mom doesn't mean I don't adore cats. They are so cute. I mean, who doesn't stop scrolling when they see a fluffy cat doing something hilarious? And this product, it ticks all the boxes for this challenge. It's a pet product, and I love anything pet related. As a pet parent myself, I know how it goes. You don't even realize how much you are spending on your fur friend until your cart is full. Pet parents are always shopping, and they don't think twice about spoiling their babies. Next, it's a high-margin product, which means fewer sales needed for higher profits. And it's trending on social media. I've seen dozens of viral videos on TikTok and Instagram featuring cat towers and fancy pet furniture. This niche is booming. I even checked Google Trends. Searches for cat furniture, cat tree tower, and cat playground are climbing like crazy. Pet content is actually everywhere, and this item fits the vibe perfectly. And look at this beauty. Oh, let me show you. This isn't just a cat tree. It's a deluxe playhouse for your feline royalty. 4 spacious tiers, built-in scratcher, plush, cozy pads, and it actually looks good in your home. Solid wood, easy to clean, and designed especially for big cats. This thing is a vibe. Functional and stylish. That's why it's the perfect flagship product for this challenge. So I've added my flagship product, the high-margin cat tree tower, to my store. Honestly, it's the total winner on its own. But let me pause here and be real with you. Yes, one perfect product is really great. But if we were talking about big sales, we've got to remember the golden rule of e-commerce. More products equals more sales. It's simple math. More options mean more potential customers saying yes to something. That's when I thought, okay, if I already started strong with a high-margin pet product, why not go all in and add even more high-ticket winners? Not just for pet lovers like me, although I hope everyone loves pets, right? But for a wider range of people with different needs and interests. So here's what I did. I grabbed the high-ticket product niche bundle 5-in-1 from Sellvia, and let me tell you, it's a powerhouse. It instantly added 1,000 premium high-margin products to my store from top-performing categories like car accessories, fashion, furniture, pets, kids. I wanted to give my customers options, because not everyone into cats, even though that hurts me to say, but some might be shopping for a new recliner, a stylish dress, or a cool bed for the toddler. And the best part, every product came with beautiful, high-converting images, SEO-optimized product descriptions, and clean, professional layout. No extra work on my end, it's all done for you. So you don't need to waste time writing product pages or editing pictures. So now my store is stocked, my niches are covered, and I'm ready to show it off to the world. But here's the key, just adding products isn't enough. You gotta get eyeballs on them. That's where the Sellvia Ads tool comes in. You know, this is a serious upgrade. It runs your ads on Amazon, Google, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. and all at once. Fully AI-powered. No guesswork, no ad copywriting. No design headaches, no pixel setup. Just click to launch and Sellvia's system handles all the rest. Most users see 2 times to 4 times return on ad spend. So starting with even $100 could lead to $200 to $400 in revenue or even more. But what about me? I'm going bigger because I've got only 48 hours and an $11,000 goal. So let's fund the ad balance, turn the campaigns on, and let the algorithms do their thing. Okay, it's time for the moment of truth. Total revenue, $14,473. What? We got 3 sales, that's it, just 3 orders. But look at the numbers. Number 1, cat tree tower house for large cats, $2,033 profit. Yes, I knew it would work. Cat people don't play around. Number 2, luxury kids bed frame with storage, $5,323 profit. Smart parents want style and function. And boom! Number 3, luxury high-back recliner sofa set, $3,323 profit. Home upgrades always sell when the pictures are. Total profit, $10,680. And challenge crushed. Okay, let's break this down. If I had stuck with just one product, even one I loved, like the cat tree, I would have actually missed out on the other 2 sales that made this challenge an $11,000 success. That's over $9,000 in profit I wouldn't have seen. And let's be real, launching a single ad manually, tweaking all the settings, building creatives, testing audiences, it's a full-time job. Plus, I wouldn't even know if it would work, and it definitely wouldn't be up and running in 48 hours. That's why adding a full high-ticket product pack and activating the Sellvia ads tool was the winning move. Because instead of guessing what might sell, I let the system test and find the best performance for me. All I had to do was turn it on and let it go to work. More products equals more chances to land sales. More niches equals broader audience. And automated ads equals more time saved, faster launch, and higher results. So yeah, this is how you dropship smart, not hard. So what's the takeaway? If you want to repeat the exact success, you need the same tools I used. The high-ticket product pack to expand your offer and maximize profit per sale. And the Sellvia ads tool to automate your marketing across all major platforms. Fast and stress-free. You will find all the links you need right below this video. The products, the system, the results, it's all ready. Just plug it in and let your store do the work. See you in the next challenge, and until then, let's keep building success one smart move at a time. So that's my 48-hour dropshipping challenge, from 0 to over $11,000 in just 2 days. No trend hunting, no fancy funnels, just a smart strategy and Sellvia doing the heavy lifting. If I can do it, so can you. Hit the like button, subscribe for more real results, and I'll see you in the next challenge.